Wintry battle zone, potential of freezing rain, sleet, snow, all sorts of things, cats and dogs.
Yeah, it's all on the table right now.
It's all on the table, right. But again, a couple of points of emphasis here. One, not a repeat of 2021. We're going to be far warmer than that. I don't expect as much snow, and I don't expect as much icing on area roadways because temperatures, folks, are going to be at or above freezing at times during this event. But we do have a few passing clouds. We will call tonight partly cloudy for your forecast. The almanac, we got to 43 at Tyler. The morning low was 27, 57, and 37. Those are the averages for this time of the year. Out ahead of Thursday and Friday's storm system, the National Weather Service has already issued a winter storm watch. This includes our central counties. It includes our northern counties. Now, what tends to happen here is the day before the event, the National Weather Service will either upgrade this to a winter weather advisory or a winter storm warning. Time will tell. They still need a little more data to make that decision, but I would expect that upgrade to come at some point tomorrow when we are finalizing any accumulation data and any precip data. But again, things will get interesting, not only with how much precipitation we see, but what type of precipitation we see. And it could come from all four forms: rain, freezing rain, sleet, and even some snow, especially to the northwest. And rain, it's pretty easy to describe. So ice crystals will fall from a cloud, and then before it hits the surface, it moves through a dense layer of above freezing air, and if the surface is above freezing, it falls as liquid, and that's considered rain. Now, if those ice crystals move through a less dense layer, but still a pretty dense one, and hit sub-freezing temperatures at the surface, that would be freezing rain. Sleet, on the other hand, that column of air becomes shallower, and it still melts, but refreezes on the way down to the ground and hits the ground and bounces off as a sleet pellet. And then the area between the clouds, aloft in the atmosphere, and all the way down to the ground, if all of that air is below freezing, we get snow. And I do expect all four types of precipitation at times, and where that's going to be most interesting is the wintry battle zone, which ranges from Athens, Tyler, Longview over to Marshall. To the north of it, it's going to be snow, generally to the north of Highway 80, and to the south of Highway 79, it's looking like we will see all rain. There's the disturbance, and it will move to the southeast throughout the day tomorrow, tracking over South Texas, and the exact track of the storm system will be very important to the type of precipitation we see. So here's Futurecast. Not a lot to talk about tomorrow. We'll be in the 30s and 40s again. It's pretty much a copy-paste forecast as compared to what we saw today. Moisture begins to move in at 9 o'clock Thursday. Note the temperatures very close to freezing, will be a degree or two above freezing most likely throughout the day. This is 8 o'clock to the north of I-20. That's where we're seeing the wintry mix, and there's an argument to be made that along into the north of Interstate 30, it's probably going to be all snow. As we progress to about 6 o'clock Friday morning, we're still seeing that moisture. Before it moves out, there is a chance that it changes over to all snow before it moves out around noontime Friday. 2 to 4 inches in our far northwestern counties. That's along Interstate 30. 1 to 2 for Mineola and Gilmer. Tyler, Longview, Marshall. If, and this is a big if, folks, we see that transition early, I would expect up to an inch of snow and sleet, and then no accumulations, obviously, for deep East Texas. So here's a look at the next 7 days. We are dry tomorrow. No concerns there. If you need to prepare for a rough day Thursday and Friday because of rain and snow, tomorrow is your day to do so. As we look at Saturday and Sunday, high temperatures will be in the upper 40s and lower 50s, and will be dry through early next week with above freezing temperatures for highs. Casey.
Looking forward to that, Carson.